We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making liver and onions with gravy. This is a request from one of my viewers, and here are our ingredients. This is a recipe I decided to share with y'all. A subscriber asked me to make liver and onions, and I don't know why I didn't post this video, but I decided to share it with you all. And I'm also making some smashed red potatoes. Okay, here's my liver. And I'm going to season this with some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. I'm going to mix up my liver and season it and get ready to fry. Here I'm showing you my oil. I'm heating my oil up. You put just enough oil to cover the bottom of your skillet. I'm flouring up my liver and I'm adding it to my oil. You know, some people soak their liver in buttermilk. This type of liver that I have, it is tender, so I don't need to tenderize it, because this grade of liver always be tender, so that's the reason I didn't tenderize this liver. Time to time, make sure you go and check and see if it's brown. That's not brown enough. I'm going to let it cook just a little while longer. The thing about liver, you do not overcook it. Please do not overcook your liver. Overcooking your liver can make it tough. Okay, I'm turning it over. Like I say, we don't want to overcook our liver. Like a minute or a minute and a half is all it needs to cook on each side. Now I'm going to remove my liver. Now I'm adding the rest of my liver. Okay, let me turn my heat off. I'm getting ready to drain this and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I'm getting ready to add. As y'all see, I have some onion ring that I have ringed up. Okay. And on this, in this process right here, you do not have your heat up too high. You have it kind of low, because we do not want to brown these. I don't like mine brown. Well, let me say it like this. If y'all prefer y'all's brown, you can, but I don't. Okay. Okay, I'm also going to add just a little bit of flour. Just a little bit. This is not going to be like a heavy gravy. Y'all see? It's not going to be a heavy gravy. Just really a very light sort of gravy. Let me put a little bit more flour. Just a bit more. Okay, and I'm also, let me turn the heat down just a little bit. I'm also going to add just a little bit of black pepper and salt. Just a little bit. Because we don't want to over salt it. Just a little bit of salt. Okay. Like I said, I'm trying to tenderize these onions, but I don't want my heat up too high. Y'all, I got MsBetty here with me today. Y'all hear that noise? That's her. She come to see about me, see what I'm doing in here. Okay. Like as y'all can see, I'm browning this just a little bit. Like I said, do not turn that heat up a whole lot. Please don't. Please don't. Let me put a little bit more flour in here. Put a little bit more flour in here. Okay. Because we do not want our onions to burn. I'm getting ready to remove my onions. I'm going to put it back in this bowl. Like I said, I do not want these onions to burn. I'm going to put them back in here, but not right now. See how they look? Okay. Let me get some water. Let me do this first. Let me do this. As y'all can see, I'm showing y'all how this. And I'm getting ready to move it over because I don't want it to cook anymore. Y'all see that? Can y'all see it? Let me show you. See how it's looking? So I done took it off. Found another piece of onion. Let me remove that. Okay. Let me see. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more flour. Just a little bit more. Add just a little bit more. Okay. Put it back on the heat. Like I say, I'm not making a big gravy. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Gonna get ready to add my, let's see what this is. I think that's a piece of onion that I left. I don't want that in there. Gonna ready to add some water. Okay. Add some water. Like I say, you can go in there after you get finished. Like for now, you can go and taste this gravy to make sure. See, this is just a little small gravy. See, it's not much. Just a little light gravy. Okay. I'm going to add my pieces back in. Okay, if you do not want yours with gravy, just stop at the first. The first step after I got through frying it, and just leave it just like that. Okay. I'm gonna add just a little bit more water because I don't want my gravy to be too thick. Okay. And we're gonna cook this. I'm gonna add a little water over here. And what I'm getting ready to do is add my onions back in and just let this simmer just maybe about 3 to 5 minutes because it's practically done. Okay, I'm adding my onions back in because I didn't want my onions to burn as I was making that little gravy. And I hope this is what Mrs. I'm gonna have to find her name, what she's wanting. But I'm getting ready to turn this down and let it simmer. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let, like I said, I'm turn it down to simmer. And I'm getting ready to put a lid on it. And I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. What I'm getting ready to do, I'm getting ready to make my mashed potatoes with the red potatoes. And I did leave the skin on. Okay. Try to mash it up some. I got a mixer over here that I'm going to mix. And if you don't like the skins, you can remove them. I'm just showing you my red potato, mashed potatoes. Okay. Getting ready to open up my canned milk. Put a little of that in there. Evaporated milk. These potatoes are so good, y'all. They are so good. If you haven't tried them, you should try them. Okay. Let me see how they... Hey. Yeah. Okay. Getting ready to add. Let me check and see if it needs any salt, because that margarine has salt in it. I'm gonna put a little salt. I don't want to over salt them. And some black pepper. Oh my gosh. Alright. Never put too much black pepper. My husband, he loves black pepper, so there you go. Let me taste them again. All these potatoes are good. Like if I'm going to use these potatoes with my liver and onions, but if I wasn't, I always add a little. Sometimes I add a little, not always. Sometimes I add cheddar cheese to it. You know, the shredded cheddar cheese. It is so good. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'm back. I'm getting ready to plate up my mashed potatoes. Okay. I'm not going to make a whole lot, not a whole lot. Okay. Okay. Plate these up. Can y'all see? Okay. Okay. I'm not going to, like I say, I'm not going to eat this right now. I'm just showing y'all how it turns out. Can y'all see? Okay. Add some gravy to it. Okay, well, here we have it. My liver and onion, and my red mashed potatoes. Okay, hey, that's how it turned out. All right. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell for my new and upcoming videos. And to my new viewers and subscribers, you're welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. I want to thank everyone that has been supporting me and been with me, sticking with me through these 3 years. Yes, y'all, this is my 3rd year. I'm celebrating my 3rd anniversary for YouTube. And I am so blessed to have so many beautiful and wonderful people supporting me. I love y'all so much. As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit.